OHS, and thanks for tuning into the Buck Breakdown. Today is Tuesday, October 21st, and it is a day 4. Noah, where were you?
Good question, but it's good to be back as always. Whitney, how was hockey practice yesterday?
It was hard, but it's getting me ready for the season. If you're interested in signing up for a winter sport, you must turn in your paperwork to the nurse's office by Wednesday, November 5th. If you turn in your paperwork late, you will not be cleared for the first day of the season. There will be a Yoberry night on October 28th for the girls' varsity basketball team. A portion of the proceeds will go towards their team. For all you seniors, your senior quote, baby picture, and the rest of your senior information are due by October 31st. Email Margot Dillon or Nick Whiteside to send them in. There will be a brief informational meeting for all girls and boys varsity bowlers planning to try out today at 2:35 in room 226. New bowlers are welcome and encouraged to attend. Wrestlers, physicals and interval forms must be completed and turned into the school nurse ASAP. Open mats are Monday and Wednesday nights from 6:30 to 7:30 in the OMS Upper Gym. There will be a preseason meeting Monday, November 3rd at 6 p.m. in the OMS Upper Gym. The season starts Monday, November 10th. Now, let's send it over to Jake to see what we have in store for today's weather.
Thanks, Whitney. For your weather today, it is going to be moderately cold with a high of 54, a low of 44, and a 60% chance of precipitation all throughout the day. Now back over to Noah and Whitney for the rest of your announcements.
Thank you, Jake. National Honor Society members, please continue to check your emails in the NHS Facebook site for the latest volunteer opportunities. As always, you need those hours. There will be college application work sessions Tuesdays and Thursdays from 2:35 to 3:05 in C5/167, computer room in the back of the library, through Thanksgiving break. Seniors can work on college applications, Naviance, etc., with the help of a counselor. The sophomore class will host a Canales night tonight. Please make sure you see a sophomore class member for a coupon. You must have the coupon in order for the class to get credit. Any sophomore and juniors interested in starting to fundraise now for their senior trip, please see Mrs. Palmatesso for barbecue tickets ASAP. The money earned for each ticket will be deducted from your senior trip payment when you are a senior. Start thinking about the future now. Tickets are being sold through October 30th. There will be one college visit today. Casanova College will be here during 7th period. That's all for your announcements, and your Snapple fact of the day is...
Polar bears can smell a seal about 20 miles away.
Imagine if we put them in the cafeteria.
That's all for your show. Have a great day, OHS.
This has been a WUC production.